Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes with food fusion. First, gather your base cupcake recipe and consider what flavor profiles you want to merge. Think about complementary tastes, like a hint of spice with something sweet or a citrus note with a creamy frosting. The goal is to create a harmonious blend that surprises and delights the palate. We'll start with some foundational ideas to get your culinary creativity flowing. When pairing flavors, think about contrasts and complements. For example, a rich chocolate cupcake could be elevated with a subtle chili kick, or a vanilla base might shine with a lavender infusion. Don't be afraid to experiment with different extracts, zest, or even finely chopped herbs. Remember, a little goes a long way in creating a distinct and memorable taste experience. Aim for balance in every bite. The frosting and filling are crucial for completing your fusion cupcake. Imagine a matcha green tea cupcake with a white chocolate ganache filling, or a ginger-spiced cupcake topped with a lemon cream cheese frosting. You can infuse buttercreams with fruit purees, spices, or even a touch of liqueur. Consider adding a textural element, like a crunchy praline or a chewy caramel, to make each cupcake truly special and multidimensional. Finally, presentation is key to making your fusion cupcakes truly stand out. Think about how colors and textures can enhance the visual appeal. A sprinkle of toasted coconut, a delicate herb sprig, or a drizzle of contrasting sauce can elevate your creation. Share your unique cupcakes with friends and family and enjoy the delightful reactions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.